Today I'm cooking a simple dish, stir-fried sweet green chili with pork shoulder. Note, this dish will be spicy depending on the type of green chili. For this recipe, I am using the sweet green chili for a milder heat. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 320 grams of pork shoulder, sliced, 350 grams of sweet green chili pepper, washed, 150 ml of water, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black coarse pepper, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The full list of ingredients is in the Simo link. Marinate the pork shoulder with salt, rubbing them evenly. This should be okay. Leave it aside. Pour 25 ml of water into the tapioca flour. Stir and mix until the flour has dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, remove the stem and cut all the green chili slantingly into thin slices. Alright, all chilies are cut. Leave them aside. Switch on the heat. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. Add in the chopped garlic. Cook the garlic for 1 minute or until crispy and golden brown. Alright, the garlic is brown and ready. Remove the crispy garlic from the pan and leave it aside. With a little bit of crispy garlic and oil in the pan, add in the marinated pork shoulder. Stir fry for 1.5 minutes or until cooked around the edges. After 1.5 minutes, add in light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix for about 30 seconds or until well combined. Add in half of the black pepper. Add in 125 ml of water and stir until the seasoning has dissolved. Cover the pan and simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally for even cooking. After 5 minutes, the pork is cooked and the gravy has reduced a lot. Add in the green chili, cover the pan and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan and for even cooking. After 2 minutes, the chili is cooked and has slightly softened. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, it's tasty and slightly spicier than expected, but it is great. More seasoning can be added as preferred. For me, I am happy with the taste. Add in the tapioca flour water. Give a quick stir to thicken the gravy. Okay, the gravy is nice and thick. Switch off the heat. Add in the black coarse pepper and the crispy fried garlic. Mix one last time. And we are done. The simple stir-fried sweet green chili with pork shoulder is ready to be served. Eat it immediately once it is cooked for the best taste and texture. This is best eaten with rice. Let's eat! Wow, it's delicious. The pork shoulder is tasty and tender. The chili is sweet, spicy, and very tasty. It goes so well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!